Hi, it's Doc K again with Cookie. No, I'm not here to pass the hat again, but to boastfully wave it in pride. Yep, Kettering University's first robotic team, Metal Muscle 1506, won it all at their first International Invitational in China. Metal Muscle was in the winning alliance alongside Team 694, Stu Plus, and Team 5522, Stargazer, at the Qianjiang International Robotics Invitation. Metal Muscle was only one of 9 international teams invited to the Invitational. On top of their own competition, Metal Muscle also mentored a rookie Chinese team during the Robotics Championship. Immediately following the International Invitational, Metal Muscle worked with Team 9102, HangZhou Infinity Intelligence. Interesting enough, Team 9102 also was in the winning alliance in their competition. This phenomenal success is a testament to Kettering University's first community center, an accomplishment of a true visionary, Dr. Robert McMahon, and its successful operation by Bob Nichols. As the center's anchoring team, Metal Muscle's diversity, commitment to success, team dedication, mentor and parental support, continuous improvement, and most of all, synergy between all the teams in the center contributed to this world-renowned accomplishment. However, without your support, Metal Muscle never would have had the opportunity to participate. On behalf of the entire Metal Muscle family, myself, and Cookie, wherever she is, we are forever grateful. For a photo description of Metal Muscle's journey and accomplishments, please visit Metal Muscle 1506 on Instagram and/or Facebook. Once again, thanks a lot.